Hi my dear friends, this is Ryan, you're watching HSCS YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am going to explain how to verify your IOSH certificate genuine or fake. Friends, here I will explain everything step by step, follow the procedure. Let us start video now. Friends, open here web page, provide here web address www.iosh.com. Once enter here, you will appear to official website IOSH. Here you can see many options. You can click here training and skills, then you have to come on employers options, click there. Again you will appear to new page, come here, you will find some options like training certificate checker, click on that options. Again you will appear new page. Here you can see certificate number, first name, surname and course name. Friends, you can see here there is one IOSH certificate which we can provide here details. There is a downside number is there, certificate number we have to provide here 62901. Here provide first name Tariq, then you have to provide surname Ahmad. Again provide here course name. Then finally submit here. After that you will find here, friends, certificate found means genuine. Friends, if certificate is fake, then results will show like this: certificate is not found. So friends, like this way we can verify our IOSH certificate quickly on online. Thank you.